Resources Private Limited.
Welcome students to an enriching learning journey ahead with Woodapple Resources. I am Whoopi.
I am Appy. Class KG2 Maths. Dear students, today we are going to study with teacher Ansh chapter In a Spacecraft.
Gizalu the giraffe, Minky the mouse, Rinku the monkey, Jhumki the elephant, and Chiku the parrot are very good friends. One day, Minky looked up at the moon. Minky says, "I wish I could reach the moon." Jhumki says, "I can help you." Minky says, "The moon is very far." Gizalu says, "I can help you. Sit on my head." Minky says, "The moon is very far." Rinku says, "I can help you." Minky says, "The moon is still very far." Chiku says, "You should fly to reach the moon." They all decided to go on a spacecraft. Wow! The moon is too good!
This story is about the animals. In this, Gizalu is the giraffe, Minky is the mouse, Rinku is the monkey, Zoomki is the elephant, and Chiku the parrot is about a group of animal friends who dream of reaching the moon. Minky expresses a desire to reach the moon, but each friend suggests their own way of helping. Zoomki elephant offers assistance, Gizalu giraffe offers to let Minky sit on his head, and Rinku monkey also tries to help. Finally, Chiku parrot suggests for flying to reach the moon. Together, they decide to start a journey using a spacecraft. Finally, they reach the moon and surprised by its beauty.
We are going to learn how to count numbers from 191 to 200.
Let us start with 191.
Everyone, please repeat 191. Great. Keep counting 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, and 200.
Now we are going to talk about the cylinder shape.
A cylinder is a solid shape with two flat ends that are circles. It has one curved side that wraps around the circles. It is like a tube or a pipe, but with closed ends.
Can you think of anything that looks like a cylinder?
The drum is in the shape of a cylinder. A can is in the shape of a cylinder.
I see the candle, battery, jar, gas cylinder, bottle, hat, and spray can.
Let us learn about big, bigger, biggest.
When we compare three things, the one is big, the next one is bigger, and the last one is biggest. For example, if you compare a cherry, an apple, and a watermelon, a cherry is big, an apple is bigger, and a watermelon is the biggest.
Let us learn about small, smaller, smallest.
When we compare three things, the one is small, the next one is smaller, and the last one is the smallest. For example, if you compare a deer, a rabbit, and a squirrel. A deer is small. A rabbit is smaller. And a squirrel is the smallest.
Let us learn about tall, taller, tallest.
When we compare the height of three things or people, it means one is more in height than the other. So the one is tall, the next one is taller, and the last one is tallest. For example, if you compare papaya tree, coconut tree, and banana tree, a papaya tree is tall, banana tree is taller, and the coconut tree is the tallest.
Let us learn about short, shorter, shortest.
When we compare the height of three things, the one is short, the next one is shorter, and the last one is shortest. For example, if you compare bottle gourd, ladyfinger, and cucumber, the bottle gourd is short, the cucumber is shorter, and the ladyfinger is the shortest.
Let us learn about long, longer, longest.
When we compare the length of three things, it means one is more in length than the other. So the one is long, the next one is longer, and the last one is longest. For example, if you compare a car, a train and a truck, a car is long, a truck is longer, and the train is the longest.
Let us learn about short, shorter, shortest.
When we compare the length of three things, it means one is shorter in length than the other. So the one is short, the next one is shorter, and the last one is shortest. For example, if you compare ladybug, caterpillar, and ant, the caterpillar is short, the ladybug is shorter, and the ant is the shortest.
Let us learn about heavy, heavier, heaviest.
When we compare the weight of three things, one is heavy, the next one is heavier, and the last one is the heaviest. For example, if you compare almirah, chair, and table, the chair is heavy, the table is heavier, and the almirah is the heaviest.
Let us learn about light, lighter, lightest.
When we compare the weight of three things, one is light, the next one is lighter, and the last one is the lightest. For example, if you compare cotton, brick, and stone, the brick is light, stone is lighter, and cotton is the lightest. Now learn about shades of brown.
See the coffee, table, chocolate, and pot.
Can you tell me the names of their shades? Yes, the names of the brown shades are wood brown, coffee brown, chocolate brown, and copper brown.
Wow, all the colors look fantastic.
We have learned counting from 191 to 200, cylinder shape, concept of big small, tall short, long short, and heavy light, shades of brown.
Thank you for joining us. Keep learning and exploring with Woodapple Resources.